Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. If it's your first time joining, please subscribe below, leave a comment, like the video. If you've been here before, you know the drill. We haven't done this in a while, but today we have a special guest, my friend Yaz.
Hello everyone.
Met Yaz not long at a car show. When I'm not tending bar, I'm often soberly doing car stuff. And we had a chance to have a beer or two together, and we had a Corona. And Yaz, I know likes Corona. He also told me he likes tequila.
Excited to try this.
Awesome. Yeah, so I'm excited too. Today we're going to make the Mexican Sunrise. You might have seen this on TikTok or YouTube before. It kind of was a viral hit for a while. It's one of the rare drinks. It's a cocktail where you actually drink out of the beer bottle. So to start this one off, you need Corona. So we're going to go ahead and pop these open. And you actually start by taking a sip because we need some room to work with. So
That can help you with that.
here's yours. And cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, a little more.
A little more.
All right. Now, I will actually say I don't like Corona. That was not good. In general, any beer I feel like you have to add fruit to, Corona, Blue Moon, to make it taste better, I'll just drink something that tastes good already. So I'm kind of anxious to try this out and see if this makes for a better drink. So what you do with this is you start with about an ounce, give or take, and we're not going to measure this. Kind of pretend you're at a tailgate. Maybe you might have this. You're not going to have a jigger. You're not going to be able to measure this out. So give a nice little pour of tequila in there. For this one, I just grabbed a random bottle. We're using the Rocks Terramana. It's a reposada, but any tequila, any reposada or blanco will work. Have you had this one before?
I have.
It's quite good.
I do like it.
We're going to use about 3 ounces of orange juice. So again, eyeball it here. So basically a little more orange juice than we did tequila. I already like the color it's taking on. It kind of looks cool. Looks like Tang. Remember Tang?
Oh yeah, I do remember Tang. We're showing our age here.
Right. The drink the spaceman took to the moon.
That's right.
And then Grenadine, which is just sugary, actually pomegranate juice. That's where Grenadine comes from. It's not actually cherry juice. Most people don't know that. Add a little more to yours. And then, of course, eat a lime. So we'll go ahead and quarter our lime quick. Probably should have done that before we started, but that's all right. I'll show you how to cut a lime as well.
I'm excited.
To see how to cut a lime?
No, to try this.
Okay. As I screw it up here. All right. For COVID reasons, I'm going to let you take your own lime and stick it in there.
Fair enough.
So what we're going to do is we're going to shove it in. Do the old Corona finger in upside down. I squirted it there. Watch out, it squirts. And then, salud. What do you think?
I really like that.
Yeah.
I really like that.
You get a little bit of tequila. It's not overwhelming.
It's not too much.
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, it's not too much. It's like perfect. I'm gonna just for science.
For science, exactly. Yeah, I'd say the Mexican Sunrise is a hit. What do you think?
I've never had one of these. I genuinely love it. It tastes amazing to me.
Great. Well, thanks for joining us. Yeah, it has its own YouTube channel. It's car stuff. If you're into car stuff, especially LS motor stuff, you're going to love it. We'll link it below. Please check it out, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.